In primetime news this evening, major ammunition find out west, 2 men on the run.
3 held in connection with brutal slaying of Clarendon woman.
And parish courts backlog free. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gorman.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. So the Jamaica Stock Exchange has suspended trading in the shares of Edufoca Limited. But why? I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the West Indies were swept by England in their ODI series today. We'll give you more details in primetime sports later.
And windy day, Archie. Romain is going to tell us why and whether or not it will continue tomorrow. Hi, Romain.
Hi, Janella. Strong high pressure, that's the story that's helping to drive these strong winds across the area. And we still have some residual dust in the central portion of the Caribbean. We're not expecting clear skies until about Thursday.
He's always smiling with these reports. We'll find out more about the weather report in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we're asking what other measures can be taken to secure the nation's borders?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.